Good morning, students. You have to take out History and Civics book of class 6. Today, we will start with the new lesson, the Indus Valley Civilization. It's lesson number 2, page number 16. In this lesson, we will cover these points. Number 1, Introduction. Number 2, Discovery. Number 3, Extent of Indus Valley Civilization. Number 4, Major Sites of Indus Valley Civilization. Number 5, Main Features. In main features, we will discuss town planning, society, social life, occupation, decline of the Indus Valley Civilization. The Indus Valley Civilization. Here the word civilization means an advanced state of human society, or we can say a society with the civilized people. Here we have the map to see Indus Valley Civilization. This yellow color shows Indus Valley Civilization. We have north to south, east to west extension of Indus Valley Civilization. Now come to introduction. Like the Egyptian and the Mesopotamian civilization, the Indian subcontinent too witnessed a highly developed civilization on the bank of the Indus River. Here the word subcontinent means a part of main continent separated by natural boundaries. Witness means seen. We are talking about 3 civilizations. Number 1, Indus Valley Civilization. Number 2, Egyptian civilization, and number 3, Mesopotamian civilization. These civilizations were along the bank of rivers. Egyptian along the bank of river Nile in Africa, Mesopotamian along the river Euphrates and Tigris in Iraq, and Indus Valley civilization was along the bank Indus in India. The civilization known as Indus Valley civilization or the Harappan civilization. Here we come with the 2 names, Indus Valley Civilization and number 2, Harappan Civilization. Later in this chapter, we will discuss why it was given name Harappan Civilization. Pushed back the history of the India by almost 2000 years. Prior to that, it was believed that the history of India began with the coming of Aryans in 1500 BC. Before the Indus Valley Civilization, the people in India, the historian believes the history of India began with the coming of Aryans only. It means the remains we have got has pushed the Indian history almost 2000 years back. But it was not true. They got the remains of this civilization. Discovery. The Indus Valley Civilization was first discovered in 1920 to 21 during the excavations conducted by Rakhaldas Banerjee at Mohenjo-daro and Deharam-Sani at Harappa. Excavations means digging out things from the earth. These 2 archaeologists, Rakhaldas Banerjee and Deharam-Sani, got the remains of the Indus Valley Civilization in 1920 to 21. Nomenclature of the civilization. The word nomenclature means choosing of the name. Why this civilization was named Indus Valley Civilization. In the beginning, the remains of the civilization were confined to the river Indus and its tributaries. Yes, the research was limited to the river Indus and its tributaries. Let's see on the map. Here, this blue line you can see carefully. This is river Indus and here are the tributaries of river Indus. First tributary you can see Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi and Satluj. These are the tributaries of river Indus. Now come back. The Ravi, Chenab, Beas, Satluj and Jhelum river. Therefore, the archaeologists named it as the Indus Valley Civilization. Remains means leftover, confined, limited. It means the search was confined to the river Indus and near its tributaries only. The leftovers we got were near the tributaries of the river Indus only. That's why archaeologists has given the name Indus Valley Civilization. Here the new word comes, archaeologist. By archaeologist we mean the person who study the remains of the past. As Harappa was the first city to be discovered from beneath, and the chief features of the other sites were almost similar to that of Harappa, this civilization came to be known as Harappan civilization. It was the first city to be discovered in Indus Valley civilization. That's why it was also called Harappan civilization. Here in the map we will see the city. Here the square. See, here this square denotes the major cities of Indus Valley civilization. Number 1 Harappa, number 2 Mohenjo-daro. These are the two major cities of Indus Valley civilization. Do you know Harappa is an ancient city of Indus Valley civilization? Its time was 2600 to 1700 BC in northern Pakistan. The site of the ruins was discovered in 1920. Ruins means destroyed condition. The destroyed condition of the Harappa and the Mohenjo-daro was there in 1920. They have seen. This civilization belonged to Chalcolithic age. It is an age of copper and bronze. That is an age when copper and bronze came to be extensively used in making utensils and weapons, along with the use of stone. Extensively means largely. At this time, the copper and the bronze was the metal used. Iron was not discovered till yet. Extent of Indus Valley civilization. The Indus Valley civilization flourished roughly between 2600 BC and 1700 BC. Flourished means expanded. While initially the boundaries of the civilization were confined to the Indus Valley, the excavation carried out in the last 50 years have revealed about 1400 settlements belonging to the different parts of Indian subcontinent. In the last 50 years, the excavations have been done and we have come to know about the 1400 settlements. Today, out of these 1400 sites, nearly 925 sites are in India and 475 sites are in Pakistan. These discoveries make this civilization the largest civilization of the ancient world. It means if we are talking about the Egyptian, Mesopotamian civilization, the Indus Valley civilization is the largest civilization of all the three. The boundaries of Indus Valley civilization. Its extension in the west, Satkajandur in Baluchistan, east, Alamgiripur in Uttar Pradesh, north, Manda in Jammu and Kashmir, south, Dayamabad in Maharashtra. The civilization covered a total area of about 12,50,000 square kilometer. Here we see in the map, you have to mark the places as told. In the west, there is Satkajandur in the west up to Alamgiri in the east, and in the north there is the Manda in the Jammu Kashmir, and in the south up to Dayamabad in the Maharashtra. It touches the boundary of the Maharashtra, and here it is Dayamabad. Now come to the major centers of Indus Valley civilization. We have done the two main cities, but there are many more cities also. In the map it is given with the circle. It is not colored. In the map you can see the circle. These are the other cities you have to mark in the map, like Kalibangan, Ropar, Chandigarh, Rakhigiri, Alamgiripur, Banawali, Kaliband. There are many cities, other cities we have in the map. You have to mark these. Apart from Harappa and Mohenjo-daro, where the remains of the Indus Valley civilization were first discovered, the other major sites are Kalibangan in Ganganagar district of Rajasthan, Ropar near river Satluj in Punjab, Banawali in Hisar district of Haryana, Alamgirpur in Meerut district of Uttar Pradesh, Lothal, Rangpur, Rojdi, Dholavira and Gujarat, Kotiji, Amri, Janodharo in present-day Pakistan, Satkajan on the east coast of South Balochistan. Many of them we have marked in the map. Now you have to mark again in the map. The two new recently exhibited sites are Rakhigadi in Haryana and Dholavira in Kutch of Gujarat. Sources of information from where we have got the knowledge of Indus Valley civilization. These are the seals we have got, statues we have got, ornaments of the ancient time we have got, pots we have seen, buildings, many things we have got from the remains. Our main sources of information for the Indus Valley civilization are the archaeological remains, leftovers, unearthed from the various sites. These remains come in the form of seal. Seal means a stamp. It is a stamp or a device for making an impression on a paper. We have got the seals, sealings, statues, ornaments, many type of jewelries we have got, pots and buildings like the Great Granary at Harappa and the Great Bath at Mohenjo-daro. Now the word comes with the granary. Granary, a storehouse of grains. In the ancient period, people used to store their grains in these granaries only. The Indus script, though discovered, has yet not been deciphered and still remains a puzzle for the historians. Here the word deciphered means decode. Historians means writer of history. The historians are not able to decode the Indus script. That's why we don't have the much information about this Indus Valley civilization. Have a look on the Pashupati seal. This is a remain or stamp we got from the, we have the proof of Indus Valley civilization. One more seal is there in your book, a unicorn seal. It's a stamp. In your book only, you can have a look on the Great Granary also, the storehouse of grains. The Great Bath at Mohenjo-daro. We can see these are the sources of information. We got to know how were the cities over there in the Indus Valley civilization time.